siya eh. Search world. Search words. World.
Where?
Research world. Ano, research words. Max.
Where?
Research world. Ano, research words. Maxim. Ano sa research world?
Where?
Research world. Ano sa research words. Maxim.
I'm sorry, I don't know where that is though.
Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga.
What?
Very, very cute.
Very cute. Okay,
Sa bahay
thank you.
na. Yung may house. Warehouse. Where the house?
What? You're asking me? You're asking me where? One more time. One more time. I want you to do it properly. Can you ask me again?
Yes.
Okay. What did you say?
What did you say? No, yun. Ano yun? What did you say daw? What did you say? Your... sabi ko? Sabi ko? Where you the house?
Where is my house?
Yes.
Why? If I tell you my house, are you going here?
Huh? Because you're... I'm go with the house.
You're gonna go to my house.
Yeah.
Why?
You're... Why daw? Why?
Do you want to meet me? Why? Why do you want to meet me?
You may see your body.
What?
Your all body. Your stand.
Why?
May I see?
Why?
May I see? May I see?
Why?
You're okay.
What?
I'm look.
Why do you want to look at my body?
Oh, no, that's my... No, ito na my body daw. Ano ba yun? Bakit daw ko siya pinatatayo? Because,